Defender 90 D250 X Dynamic SE. It has been exterior styled from every single angle. Finished in Borasco grey, 26 registration, done only 1,700 miles from new. Factory specification includes features like sliding sunroof, cold climate pack, dark cross beam. With it being the 26 model year, you have new interior features as well. But the colour and the kit is what will sell this car because it is exactly what people look for. Borasco grey, gloss black styling, you've got the decals, the pod lights, you've also got the upgraded DRL system as well. And then not only does it have the exterior styling, but the factory features is what would help for me. Features like sliding sunroof, the cold climate pack, dark cross beam, the wide arches. It's a look that everybody absolutely loves. 23-inch gloss black wheels, red brake calipers. It is an absolute head turner from every single angle. Snorkel, side ladders, beautiful looking car. We have had something similar and they last hours because it's just exactly what people are looking for. Borasco grey is a very popular colour. It then has the kit which people are looking for, the style. Larger media screen was one of the features which I was talking about earlier on the 26 model year. Dark cross beam then removes a lot of the lighter plastics from the interior. Sliding sunroof, because as standard it wouldn't come with a roof at all. And because it is a 90, a lot of people assume that you lack leg space, space in the back, passenger space. That's actually quite the opposite. Plenty of leg room in the back there. Then when you get to the rear, you have more than enough boot space, whatever you might be carrying. It's also got an electronic deployable Towbar, which will appeal to some of you out there. But if it's not in something you would use every day, it definitely carries a resale value. It's £3,500 to get one fitted from Land Rover, so take that into consideration. Rear spoiler. Obviously, the car's then got the extended black pack, both front and rear bumpers. Deployable Towbar comes out pretty straightforward. Takes seconds to do so, and if you ever have had one before, which is a deployable, you'll know that they're an absolute lifesaver. Full-size spare wheel cover, side storage box. Just a beautiful, beautiful looking Defender, but most importantly, it has only done 1,700 miles from new, 26 registration, so it means you've still got manufacturer's warranty, roadside assistance, and it means that the condition is exactly as you would expect it to be from when it left the factory. Cold climate pack, for those who don't know, gives you heated jet washers to the front, but also heated wheel. Dark cross beam is such a subtle thing that people often overlook, don't spec, but I think the steering wheel looks far better in dark cross beam, so it just makes all these plastics darker. Adaptive cruise, lane keep assist, your digital display which has everything, navigation, media. Larger media screen which is bigger than what you would have ever had on a HSE, so huge screen which has navigation, media, telephone, camera systems, has a towing specific camera mode with it being a factory deployable Towbar, heated seats, wireless charger just tucked away in front of your storage compartment as well, sliding sunroof, let's get that open. The rear seats don't even look like they've been sat in, so fantastic car. Borasco grey D250 X Dynamic SE, 1,700 miles from new, but it's the kit and the colour which will attract your attention. It's a great car, this. Factory options to back up that exterior styling, illuminated LED bar, beautiful looking car. Going live. Any questions about how you'd buy it through funding options, part exchanges, or if you just want to come and pay for it and pick it up tomorrow, you can do that. But contact me on my mobile number at the end of the video, and I look forward to speaking to you.